Hi.
Hi. Hi again. So this is our next video. We'll be discussing
On
another
poem
poem, which is nature
themed
theme.
nature theme.
Yeah.
And
So
before that we'll be introducing ourselves. First, my name is Nur Ilya and my metric number is 185454.
I am Nur Alia, 185395. So
The
look at the
title
nature.
so the title of our poem is In
Thai
Thine
nature.
Nature. In Thine Nature.
It is spelled really classically. I'm sure this is the ancient
Ancient.
word of the, because it is spelled Thai, in Thai nature. So it means in the nature.
Yeah.
So there are three stanzas, and this
Before
poem
that,
is from
it's from Stephanie
Stephanie
McGrath.
Yeah. Um, we both think this poem of nature is really splendid and
Yeah.
also I think peaceful, because it has a lot of words like um, related to
Peace.
harmonism. I think, yeah,
Yeah.
harmony.
That's no word.
Okay,
And it's very eco-friendly.
eco-friendly. Okay, the first stanza sounds: in Thai nature is beauty, in Thai nature is earth, in Thai nature I find my worth. So these three sentences, I think, do really entangle in beauty
Yeah.
and also self-value, because um, okay, what I believe and per- progressively learn is people find value, their value through nature
Nature, yeah.
sometimes. Yeah. So because in nature there exists beauty. So we actually learn beauty from nature, from the nature. When we see the flower is colorful, the
Yeah.
sky is blue, so we think it's very splendid and
Beautiful.
beautiful. So that is where we learn the beauty value. So how the thing is, how do we reflect those on
Yeah.
to
How
ourselves?
do we see that?
View that
Yeah.
beauty by ourselves. I mean, how do we define beauty? Um, in Thai nature, I find
my
my worth
worth.
is actually what I'm talking about. Um, how we actually learn um, about our worth from the nature. For example, um, the nature actually doesn't do anything wrong. I mean, okay,
Yeah.
um, all the war and crises that happens in the world doesn't has anything to do with the nature, because it is uh, it is properly created by the God. So all the um, damages happened by human being.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
the presence of nature itself is to
To
to make ourselves feel peace and not to
worry about
no
about
uh from your thoughts that
mhm.
saying all the
I want
damages
to
are
relate with
from yeah
finding worth.
finding meaning that it's finding our worth. The nature itself is is for ourselves
Us
to feel more comfortable and the damages that you said from human and for mankind. Yeah, this just elaborate some points that you said.
Uh, um, I mean, the damages that is caused by human being.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling is, um, that is where our value is actually degraded. This or
Yeah, I
that's
know.
degraded by ourselves or people who are involved with those damages. So that is why I'm telling that we learn our self value from the nature,
And
because it does contradictingly
contra- contradictly.
contradictly uh, from what we are doing to them, to the nature. Yeah.
And the nature itself, the presence of nature is to is helping us to find our self, meaning that
Or life
some
meaning.
some some people some people's really really loves nature and find themselves through it, through the nature.
Okay. Okay, that was a good point where you relate about a person who loves nature. I mean, um, no. I mean, or if people who love nature. I mean, I do not really enjoy um,
Ooh.
nature. I mean, nature, because yeah, I do not really like going to have hiking or
Oh,
that's what I meant by
then
loving
nature
nature.
activities that
Yeah, that activities that
outdoor.
related to nature activities.
Why? I love it.
Uh, so how do you actually learn about your self value from that kind of activities?
What's that question? How do
You
you
actually learn about your self value from those kind
from
of
this activity?
activities.
Okay. Um.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I love hiking. I love um
Climbing.
climbing. Yeah, climbing or
Swimming.
swimming or just something outdoor activities. And I find that the views or the nature when it comes to climb a hill. No, it's not hill.
Mountain.
Mountain or
Mountain. Okay.
it's not mount. It's not a
It's a
mountain.
hill.
It's a hill. Or do some jungle trekkings. I found that
It's okay.
that it I found that the views really really it's not consuming. It's really
Can
can
it probably can
yeah console me.
can relax you. Can help you to be
Yeah,
relaxed.
and
Easily.
I love the variety colors of flowers and the sky itself, the cloud, and it makes me really
Find your value.
really peaceful,
Really calm.
really calm, and I can relate it to I can relate it. Pas kakak adik macam and I can relate it to my inner self.
Okay.
Okay, meaning that
Oh, I actually got what you're trying to tell. I mean, it's a therapy.
Yeah, it's therapy. That's what I want to say. Moving on to the next stanza.
Okay.
Inside nature is peace. Inside nature, I find myself. Inside nature, everlasting greens. Okay, what I can say from this stanza is inside nature is peace. Obviously, when you see greenish views or blue sky, it makes you peace, calm, and I can say that it is a views of solace.
Yeah.
Inside nature, I find myself. Yeah, I definitely find myself through nature because I love nature. I love to relate something that I see in natures to myself.
Okay.
For example, I I love roses. I love flowers, thingy, and I can relate that I really love something that harmony, like, and I call it.
I mean, you mean the position of the flower, or
No, when I see the flowers, when I see the colors of the
color?
the color of the flowers and the flower itself, I can tell that it defines harmony. It defines harmony and solace.
Okay. Okay. Moving to the last
Yeah,
sentence.
inside nature, everlasting
Lasting
greens, meaning that greens here. I can understand. It means evergreen. Means that
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the point. I mean,
evergreen. It means it's forever. It's forever. Everlasting. It's forever. Forever.
it stays there for. I mean, you mean
Yeah, I mean, inside nature, everlasting. It evergreen. It is evergreen.
the nature doesn't. Yes, it destroys,
Yeah,
but the
the value,
sense,
the sense
yeah,
of
of the nature
nature
is evergreen.
evergreen.
Okay,
It will not. It is destroyed.
it will not
It will not
disappear.
disappear or um. It will not disappear by things that mankind do.
It will mean the sense of the nature
Yeah.
will not be washed away by material.
By materials or technologies.
Oh, okay. Mm, um, because I actually just come across by greens mean also represents peace.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so hopefully peace will be lasting longer, or just exist in everyone's life forever.
Yeah.
That's actually one of the senses of nature could give to us. I mean, peace, calmness, harmony. That's actually what nature brings out to people.
Yeah, to people.
Okay, that's beautiful. And the last stanza, in the entire nature, there is more to be seen. Entire nature, a beauty untold. Entire nature, everything is worth more than gold. So this is what
So
I told
heartening.
earlier. It's really heartfelt one. what I told earlier about the sense or value of nature that we feel is just beyond what materials or just that we have now. I
Yeah.
mean, it
There
is
is more to
worth
be
more
seen.
than gold. It is true because money or
Money or materials.
cannot buy the value of sense of nature because it offers you different thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what gold can do to you, or what
Gold.
money or what can do to you? It
Actually, gold can do many things
to
to
you, of
you,
course.
but I can say that nature. No, I mean everything needs money or everything needs gold. It's
Okay,
everything money,
okay,
but everything
because
starts with nature first.
okay, um, my
Sorry,
question was
what
because
gold can do
what
to me?
what gold can do to you, you say that you can did you say that you can buy everything with gold?
No. I mean everything needs money,
Okay,
needs
you
gold, but okay. Back to the question. Um, gold can do
okay,
everything for
okay,
me.
what nature can do to you?
It's beyond words. I mean,
That is what I really want to listen to. I mean,
it's
it's
beyond
to hear.
words. Nature. Okay. What I can tell is nature can do everything to us, everything for us. For example, for example, give give a healthy environment
Okay, yeah,
to us.
the
And when it comes to healthy environment, it brings no, it helps a lot of people to stay healthy, and health is everything.
yeah, okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that is actually a massive difference between what gold can offer to us and what nature can give to us. Um, and it is actually the beauty in the
Beauty,
nature.
yeah,
That
in the
is the
beauty.
beauty of the nature. I mean, um, it probably won't be unseen or realized by most people because most of us do not appreciate nature because
Much
we do not see
a real,
clearly
yeah.
the beauty of the nature which that we have
Mm-mm.
told earlier. But actually nature is more to be seen. There is just a lot to be seen.
Lots of
Maybe we can start exploring or figuring out later uh, when because it's actually helpful for us to just be a better mankind that
yeah, that
really
appreciate the nature.
yeah appreciate them by doing a good service to them. So yeah, that's quite fruitful, I think. We're gonna end this video because there are a lot of poems to be discussed later. So thank you for by us. Thank you.
Thank you.